tree removal service in NJ. Expert tree care that protects your property. Amazing Tree Services provides professional, fully insured tree removal services across New Jersey, delivering safe, efficient tree work with a level of property protection many companies simply don't offer. Tree work done right, without damaging your property. Tree removal isn't just about cutting trees, it's about controlling risk. At Amazing Tree Services, protecting your home, driveway, lawn, and landscaping is a core part of our service, not an afterthought. Before any work begins, we take steps to shield ground surfaces, structures, and surrounding areas. This attention to detail is what separates professional operators from crews that leave damage behind. Many tree companies focus only on speed. We focus on precision, safety, and protection. Professional equipment, professional results. We own and operate our own trucks, cranes, and specialized tree equipment, allowing us to handle everything from small residential jobs to large commercial projects, even in tight or limited access areas where heavy machinery can't reach. Our services include tree removal, tree trimming and tree pruning, tree cutting and tree care, stump grinding 8 to 12 inches below grade, crane-assisted tree removal, lot clearing and land clearing. Commercial tree services stumps are ground deep enough so your property can be reused properly, whether you're planting new grass, installing landscaping, or placing another tree without future issues. Knowledgeable tree specialists serving NJ. Our experienced tree specialists understand New Jersey's tree species, growth patterns, and common diseases. We evaluate every situation carefully and consider all options before recommending removal. Whether your tree is 20 feet tall or 75 feet tall, we have the experience, equipment, and control to complete the job safely and cleanly. Why homeowners and businesses choose Amazing Tree Services. Fully insured tree service company. Strong focus on property and landscape protection. Modern, well-maintained equipment. Skilled crews trained for complex removals. Fair, budget-friendly pricing. Prompt estimates and dependable scheduling. Trees add beauty, shade, and value to your property. When they become a risk, you need a company that removes them without creating new problems. Tree removal service in NJ you can trust. If you're looking for reliable tree removal service in NJ, contact Amazing Tree Services today, 973-343-6868. Amazing Tree Services, the smarter choice for safe professional tree removal in New Jersey.